Welcome to English Learn with Zohan. Total question 15. Time 5 seconds each questions. Good luck. Subscribe now and never stop learning. Learn smart. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Question 1. The teacher, the students. A new topic. Option C is the correct answer. Question 2. I had to call you last night. Option B is the correct answer. Question 3. The moon around the earth. Option B is the correct answer. Question 4. She an email at the moment. Option D is the correct answer. Question 5. The book's on the shelf dusty. Option C is the correct answer. Question 6. If he harder, he would pass the test. Option B is the correct answer. Question 7. I hear since morning. Option C is the correct answer. Question 8. We go to school on Sunday. Option A is the correct answer. Question 9. The player a goal in the last match. Option B is the correct answer. Question 10. You be quiet in the library. Option B is the correct answer. Question 11. My sister a beautiful painting. Option C is the correct answer. Question 12. He to the gym regularly. Option A is the correct answer. Question 13. The train at 5 p.m. every day. Option C is the correct answer. Question 14. We not see her yesterday. Option D is the correct answer. Question 15. She all her money on clothes. Option B is the correct answer.